One of the ancient, tasty, healthy summer drink happens to be the drink called Panaka. This drink literally creates a blast of flavors on the taste buds, and most importantly, it is a soothing drink for the body and the mind. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this awesome drink, Amruta Panaka. And by the way, welcome to our channel, Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. First, let us start by taking half a tablespoon of black peppercorns into a blender jar. And then goes 2 cardamoms. After adding cardamoms, let us add a small piece of nutmeg and a little saffron. Next in the list is a must for Panaka, and that is a little bit of ginger. And finally, let us add a small quantity of King of Taste Mr. Salt. And now let us blend all these healthy superfoods finely. So here we have diluted 200 grams of jaggery in 300 ml of water beforehand. So to this, let us add the mixture that we have prepared. The final addition to our recipe is juice of 2 lemons. After adding the juice of lemons, let us give this all a good mix. Now it is time to allow the spices to soak and get along with the Panaka. So after mixing this all together, let us cover a lid and rest it for about 30 minutes. Once we have rested this for 30 minutes, it is time to strain our Panaka into a jug or a jar. At the end, we have added about 250 ml of water, and by the way, this recipe gives us about a liter of Amruta Panaka. And the final step is to let it cool in a refrigerator for about an hour. This is it, my dear friends. A very easy, tasty, and most importantly, a healthy drink, Amruta Panaka, is ready. If you like this recipe and the video, do like the video and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.